Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to compare the Archer GX90 with the Archer AX11000. First thing that I must say is that it just looks like the aliens came down to Earth and bring this router to us. Like when you're gonna look at it, it doesn't even look human, right? So this is the really interesting thing. Now, when we are going to look here on some things here, we can see that both got Wi-Fi 6, they are the same. Then we see they got the same 5G. Now you can see that the AX11000 got two 5G and the second one is 4800 megabytes per second. And here the second 5G is only 1200 for the GX90. The same thing, this is going to be also important that if you're going to have devices that are going to be connected for the 2.4 GHz, you have only here 574 megabytes per second. And here you're going to have 1100. So there is also, like, in that regard, the speed is just better for the AX11. Now, as you can see, both got the same 8 detachable high-performance antennas. You're going to have better coverage for the AX11 and the same high-power FME, beamforming, all of that. The Wi-Fi capacity is very high, and these things are like similar. But here you're going to have 12 streams, connect your devices to more bandwidth. So the Wi-Fi capacity is just better also regards the streams for the AX11. And when we're going to look here, these are the same things. Here also we're going to have guest network like 2 5G. Here is only 1. So but it's not that much of an issue. And then you see that it's got better processor, the one. Then also we have 1 port 2.4 for GPS. You have 8 gigabit LAN ports. This is huge. Here you're going to have only 3 gigabit LAN ports. So this is also a really important thing. And then that's primarily it, right? Yeah, so I just wanted to share these important things for you regards this, and you can clearly see that it's just like the AX11 is dominating the Archer GX90. And if you can just buy the AX11 and you're going to be good to go, but the question is like, do you need it, right? Because I don't know what's the price difference between these two products in your country where you're from. You can share it down below in the comments if you want to. But these two products are fine, even if you're going to buy the GX90 or AX11000. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you are going to have a pleasant and wonderful day. Goodbye.